Meaning of entity.
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 Entity. An entity refers to something that has a distinct existence in the world. It can refer to a person, organization, object, or concept that is regarded as a discrete unit or individual unit of existence. Entities can have different characteristics and properties and can be studied and analyzed from various perspectives. Examples of entities can include companies, governments, animals, stars, atoms, and emotions. Understanding entities and their relationships is essential in many fields, including data management, artificial intelligence, and social sciences.